What does this current version of a buyer's market look like? More homes on the market, lower prices, and fewer sales? I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Compared to last October, there were 1,000 more homes for sale in the East Bay. And since May, the median sales prices dropped more than $300,000. More choices and lower prices couldn't overcome buyer concerns about mortgage interest rates. Sales dropped by about 600 homes compared with last October. Let's check out the local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, way up everywhere except for San Lorenzo. Hayward, 117 for sale. San Leandro, 60 for sale, up more than 90%. Prices, take San Leandro and Union City out of the mix, and prices down everywhere. Albany and Newark both down more than 20%. Sales down everywhere. Next, let's go to West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, up, with the exception of El Cerrito and San Pablo. Richmond, 107 for sale, up almost 60%. Prices, mixed. Hercules up 12%, and Richmond, 692, up 6%. Down everywhere else. Sales, down. San Pablo, down 50%. El Sobrante, down 75%. Now we're in Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, massive increases. Clayton, 16 up more than 200%. Pleasant Hill, 35 up almost 170%. Prices down. Concord and Martinez both down 10% or more. Walnut Creek, 1.487, down just 1%. Sales down. Concord and Martinez both down more than 40%. Let's check with La Miranda. Homes for sale, way up. More than double in Moraga and Orinda. Prices, mixed. Lafayette, 1.35, down 30%, but Moraga, 2.3, up almost 30%. Sales down. Orinda, 17 sold, down 45%. Now we'll look at the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, way up. Dublin, 38 for sale, up more than 300%. Livermore, 104. Pleasanton and San Ramon, both more than double. Prices, mixed. Alamo, Danville, and Pleasanton all down. Dublin, 1.4, up 4%. Sales down, more than 40% almost everywhere. And finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale, up. Antioch and Brentwood almost double compared to last October. Prices mixed, up slightly in Antioch and Brentwood. Discovery Bay, 785, down 14%. Sales down. Antioch, Brentwood, down more than 40%. Last thought, about those buyers, there were 700 fewer pending sales compared with last October. So yeah, these cooling markets, it's not just seasonal. We'll see you next month.